Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to wrap text in Google Sheet with a single click. So friends, if you need to wrap the text in Google Sheet, so select the cell where you want to wrap the text. In my case, I want to wrap this cell. So select this cell, then click on this Format tab. Here is the option Text Wrapping, and you will find three options: overflow, wrap and clip. So just you need to click on wrap. That's it. So it's quick and easy method to wrap the text in Google Sheet. First select the cell. Now click on format, then hover the cursor to text wrapping and select wrap. That's it. So hopefully friends you like this video, and by this quick and very easy video we can know how to wrap the text in Google Sheet with a single click. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.